Ku Haʻaheo o Waimānalo na Anakala Iokepa Desantos. Ku Haʻaheo ka pu'o pele. Ka pu'o molokaʻi ke alo pali. Ka he mai ka he pu'e wai. I ke kahawai o puha. O ihi laua kea ke kiaʻi. O kua pā ma Maunalua. Eia hoʻi ka pulapula I ka nā helehele. E komo aku hoʻi au māloko. Mai paʻai ka leo. He ole kaia mai e. Ku Haʻaheo ka puʻuo pele. Pu'uo Pele stands proud. Pu'uo Pele is a pu'uo hill located in Waimānalo. It reminds us of the visit this Aina of Waimānalo received by Pele, the goddess of fire. Ka pu'uo molokaʻi ke alo pali. Pu'uo molokaʻi faces the cliff. Pu'uo molokaʻi is another pu'u in Waimānalo. This pu'u is close to the stream Muliwai o Lena and is also near the pali of Waimānalo. Alo pali is one of the winds of Waimānalo. Alo is face and pali is cliff. Therefore, alo pali means the face of the cliff. If you are at Kaiona and you look up to the mountains, you will see the face of the pali, very close to the ocean. This is where the alo pali wind blows. Ka he mai ka heʻe puʻe wai, I ke kahawai o puha. Flumes surge forth through Puha stream. Puha is a Waimānalo stream. Today it doesn't flow as well, but it once flowed from Mauka to Makai, providing all the necessary nutrients throughout the ahupua'a of Waimānalo. The Muliwai is where the Vai and Kai meet. The Muliwai of Puha is believed to be at Bellows. It is said sometimes the stream would surge with so much force down to the Muliwai that it would create these waves. Our kupuna would surf those waves, or he'e pu'ewai, surf the mouth of the river of Puha. O ihi laua kea ke kiaʻi. Ihi laua kea is the guardian. The eastern ridge at Hanauma has two small peaks with flats between them. These flats are called ihi laua kea, and a spring wells out of the mountain nearby called Kaua no Ula. Some people associate the two peaks with these names, saying that they are named for two beautiful chiefesses who were known to be kind to the people of Makapu'u. It is said in the epic tale of Hi'iaka I Kapolio Pele that Hi'iaka and her friends came to visit the southeastern coast of Oahu. There they met Ihi'ilaua and Kaua no Ula. Ihi'ilaua and Kaua no Ula saw Hi'iaka and her friends, and they greeted them lovingly and invited them to visit their home. Ihi'ilaua is also an endemic plant to this area. It looks like a four-leaf clover. Ihi'ilaua is also the name of the wind that blows here. O kua pā ma Maunalua. Kua pā at Maunalua. Waimānalo extends all the way to the local kua pā or fish pond in the ili of Maunalua. Kua pā pond, also known as Keahu Pua o Maunalua, was once the largest local kua pā on Oahu, estimated at approximately 523 acres. Kua pā literally means wall of a fish pond, and a local kua pā is one type of fish pond made by building a wall on a reef. The wall at this fish pond was about 5,000 feet long. It was said the Menehune finished the wall of this fish pond. One of the main harvests was mullet, because the combination of fresh water and shallow sand or mud flats that the ponds created were ideal for growing the algae that mullet fish fed off of. It is said that Kua pā connects to Ka'elepulu Pond in Kailua, and from time to time great schools of mullet disappear from Maunalua and are to be found in Ka'elepulu Pond. Laukupu is the mo'o guardian of this fish pond. She cares for the fish and for the life of the high chief and his people. Eia ho'i ka pulapula I ka nā helehele. Hear the descendant in the wilderness. E komo aku ho'i au mā loko, asking to enter within. Mai pa'ai ka leo. Do not suppress your voice. He ole ka heo mai e, lest there is no answer to your request.